Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Al. Today I want to talk about, or I would like to share two things with you. The first one is we are talking about a very unique country called Iceland, also known as the land of fire and ice. Second, I will talk about my favorite project, uh, which are coding projects and also my plan to create my own portfolio website. I hope this presentation can give you new ideas and maybe inspire you too. The first part is I want to talk about the land of fire and ice. Okay. The first one is short history of Iceland. Iceland is a country located in the North Atlantic Ocean. People first came to Iceland in the 9th century. Most of them were Vikings from Norway and some came from Scotland. And at that time, life in Iceland was very simple. People depended on farming and fishing. Even though life was hard, Icelandic people became strong and independent. Iceland became a republic in 1944 after separating from Denmark. Since then, the country has grown very fast, especially in education, technology, and clean energy. Today, Iceland is known as one of the safest and happiest countries in the world. Okay, the second one is geography of Iceland. One of the most special things about Iceland is its geography. Iceland has more than 130 active volcanoes. The country sits on two big tectonic plates. The first one is the North American plates, and the second one is the Eurasian plates. That is why Iceland has many volcanoes and earthquakes. But Iceland also has huge glaciers, such as Vatnajökull. That's the name. The glacier cover large part of the country. So in one place you can see fire from volcanoes and ice from the glacier at the same time. That is why Iceland is called the land of fire and ice. Then, amazing natural phenomena. Iceland is also famous for beautiful natural events. One of the most popular in the northern lights, or you can call it aurora borealis. At night during winter, the sky can glow with green, purple, and blue lights. Many people visit Iceland just to see this natural wonder. Iceland also has a geyser called Strokkur. It shoots hot water high into the air every few minutes. Geysers like this are very rare in the world. People and culture of Iceland. Even though Iceland only has about 318,000 people, the society is highly educated. The literacy rate is almost 100%. They also have a special tradition called Jólabókaflóð, which means Christmas book float. During Christmas, people give books as a gift. then they spend the night to reading the books. This shows that Icelandic people love knowledge and reading. The language Icelandic is also interesting. It is very close to the old Viking language, and they keep the language as pure as possible. Then economy and technology. Icelandic used to depend mostly on fishing, but today they are leaders in clean and renewable energy. They use geothermal energy, heat from volcanoes to produce electricity. This makes the electricity cheap and environmentally friendly. Many big companies also put their data centers in Iceland because the cold weather helps keep their computers cool, saving lots of energy. Why Iceland is interesting? I think Iceland is interesting because it has beautiful nature, advanced technology, and unique culture. Not many countries have volcanoes. Not many countries have glaciers, and not many countries have the northern light, or you can say aurora borealis, all in one place. That is why Iceland is so special. Okay, part two. I in part two I will talk about my favorite projects, including like coding and my portfolio website project. First one, why I like coding. I like coding because my favorite type of project is coding. I enjoy coding because it allows me to create to create things from zero. I can build apps, websites, and many digital tools. Like, like maybe we can take the simple example like make what software like CapCut, Figma, and maybe something like that. And maybe I can make a AI. Coding makes me feel creative, and it helps me train my problem solving skills. Also, technology is growing very fast. If I learn coding while I'm still young, I will have many opportunities in the future. Yeah. Then my experience with coding projects. In coding projects, I have made a lot of projects, but I'm not but still not put in my portfolio website. Recently, I have been learning more about programming. I use language and tools like Dart, Flutter, then Python, JML, and tools like VS Code and Android tools. Maybe I just will talk about Flutter. Flutter is interesting because we can create one app that works on many platforms. While coding, I learn how to fix error, think logically, and organize my ideas. Sometimes the errors are difficult. Sometimes I found what errors so difficult like so hard. So I need my friend to helps me, and my friend cannot help me. So what I asked to my teacher, and then my teacher can fix the error. But when I finally solved them, I feel very happy and proud. I plan to create a portfolio website. Okay. One of my goals is to create my own portfolio website. Because in portfolio website, you can introduce who are me, and then I can give them. I can give people. I will make people know who I am, and I want to spend my time to doing what some some productive activity. Portfolio website is important because this is how it shows people what I can do. In my website, I want to include first one is apps or small programs I make. Maybe a simple program I make in schools or in home. Second one is my design or my UI work. And then my projects from goals like certificate, validation, or maybe simple projects from goals. Then the last is information about myself. In my portfolio website, I will introduce about myself. I want the website to look simple, but modern and clean. I might use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or even Flutter web. And then this website will be my personal space to show my skills and growth in coding. The benefits of coding for my future. Learning coding now will help me in the future. I can create my own projects with condition or even build a small startup someday. My portfolio website will be the first step toward the dream in the technology world. And maybe that's all I can tell to you. This is my presentation about some unique country, Iceland, and my favorite projects and my coding project. But my website portfolio project. And that's all from me. Thank you for listening me. Thank you for watching this video. Please apologize me if I have a lot of mistake. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.